Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I'm a mom, a former creative director, and a host, and this is The Beach Lodge. Here are my tips to go that extra smile for your guests. My goal is to create an experience that makes them feel special. Mastering hospitality starts with nailing the nooks. Play around with unexpected spaces to create mini escape areas so that people can sit down and relax. Also, plants. You can never have too many plants. I like to add special touches wherever I can. For example, if it's a family with young kids, I'll switch out the pillows or the linens and replace them with more durable ones. If my guests are celebrating a birthday weekend, I'll leave local cupcakes. I also started my own store so that people can shop the Beach Lodge from wherever they want. Introducing people to new brands, new ways of living is a part of the experience. Get creative. Try to imagine the activities that your guests may want to participate in and how you can make that happen. A patio grill, sunbathing towels, yoga mats, and plenty of books to unplug and unwind. Ask yourself how you want your guests to feel when they step into your home. Comfort, joy, relaxation. I was inspired by beach vibes, but rather than be literal with the theme, I thought holistically about the textures, colors, touch points, and details that can support that feeling. What makes it really special is when our guests say, we see all the details and all the work that you've put in and really appreciate it. I want people to be and feel their very best. Happy hosting.